Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. Attorney Sean Gellis here, board certified expert, state and federal government and administrative practice. I'm going to answer a question that I get asked occasionally by people and potential law students even. What's it like to be a lawyer? Is it like what you see on TV? As a civil litigator, I can tell you absolutely not. It is not like the show Suits at all. Although I love to think that I'm Harvey Specter and all lawyers want to be Harvey Specter, at the end of the day, the reality is when you watch a TV show that shows a case comes in the door, a person has a problem, there's multiple hearings in a trial in seemingly a week, that is highly, highly unusual and unlikely. There are some courts in Florida where you can't even get a hearing for 3 months, let alone 3 weeks. Similarly, if you practice in federal court, you'll know that you barely ever even go to court. If you're a civil litigator in federal court, everything is done on the paper. What does that mean? That means you basically sit in your office all day on a computer, read case law and type, and then you upload your PDFs to the court, and the opposing side does the same thing. They upload their documents. Some law clerks and a judge sit at the courthouse for months looking at everything, and one day you're sitting there minding your own business, and you get an email. Oh, order granted, dismissing the case. Look at that. We just got the case dismissed. There was no hearing. There was no opportunity to talk to the judge. It's very rare. So most people think that like lawyering is being in court all the time. That's if you're a criminal attorney. If you're a civil attorney, you're sitting on your butt, reading case law and typing in front of a computer screen for the majority of your day, period. Here's an example. I actually represented a company called Smart Biz Telecom. They were being sued by the Florida Attorney General for all sorts of unfair and deceptive trade practices, et cetera, et cetera. We litigated basically that entire case through summary judgment over 8-9 months in federal court. And I never once saw the judge, ever. Never talked to him, never saw him. Everything was done on paper. We never even had a hearing. And if it wasn't for the couple of depositions, I never even would have seen opposing counsel in person. Everything was done on Zoom. So if you're thinking about being a lawyer, or you're thinking that being a lawyer is like what's on Suits, I'll tell you it is not. Go intern or work at a law firm, go talk to some lawyers you know, and understand the industry and the practice before you get into it.